Afternoon, folks. Do forgive me, I'm not very well. But here's the daily update. As you can see, it's like the human centipede. Everything is tickety-boo. They're all looking well. I'm going to have to disturb them in a minute because I've got to wash their... This is my electric heated throw that Cleo has commandeered. I don't mind. This one's dreaming. Wonder what he's dreaming. Oh, well, I should say, I wonder what she's dreaming. But still, 3 healthy little kittens. Mum's doing well. So, yeah, folks, that's today's update. Right, I'm sorry there's not been any updates. I'm still not very well. However, today you can actually now start to see the traits. So you can see here, look, we've got the creases in the forehead. I'm sorry, little girl, about this light's a bit bright for you, isn't it? I'm sorry. So we've got the creases in the skin, look. So we've definitely got the Sphynx traits there. And this hair is incredibly short. It's hair, but it is very short. And then we've got this little beauty, a little tortoiseshell, and her colouring impresses me more every day. She's got lovely little pink paws, whereas this one, I must admit, I haven't actually looked. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's another genetic trait as well, the paws. And then we've got this one who's almost identical to the first one. Just with slightly different facial markings, but you can't see. Oh, you can. Yes, there, look, you can see there's the grey-blue skin and the wrinkles. So mum and babies doing well. The two little kittens here, the ones that are most Sphynx-like in so much as they've got almost no hair, are now displaying the sort of traits that you sort of expect from a Sphynx. So you can see the skin, what do you call them, skin folds. Especially on the head, you can see the sort of bluey grey skin. Considering that it was a ginger cat, there isn't actually a lot of ginger. The tortoiseshell's quite gingerish, and Cleo's there she is, look, there she is. She does seem to be the odd one out. Let's just bring her around here. I don't know why, but she is beautifully marked. She's also got pink paws, whereas the other two cats have got darker paws. And unusually for cats, Cleo's got both. And that's quite unusual. But as you can see, mother and kittens are doing well. Good morning, folks. It's Sunday, and I've had a, if you've been watching, you'll know I've had a really crap weekend. Anyhow, I'm just laid in bed and suddenly I can feel something scratching at the back of my neck. She's brought the babies up for me. I'm really glad I didn't roll over, because I'd have flattened all of them. But yeah, she's she's just brought them up one at a time, obviously. All doing well. All doing well. So hello. Hello. Your eyes open yet? Oh yeah. Get in there. Unless the I can't believe the difference, especially in the fur, because this one's she's like a soft toy. Hello, Squeak. They won't hurt you. Squeak. Squeak. I've been really careful to make sure that none of the other cats feel left out. Oh look, Mum's here. So that's the that's the Sunday morning update. Catch you all later. So this is me wanting to get out of bed. Unfortunately, I'm having to play surrogate cat dad. Oh, I can see a Squeak looking on.